Do you know that there is a fungi microorganism that is silently lurking around your pen and threatening the life of your chicken? This disease normally affects young chickens or chicks during brooding, causing silent or abnormal breathing in your day-old chick, and eventually death. Aspergillosis is a deadly respiratory disease, often overlooked but highly dangerous. In this video, we're going to explore how to detect, prevent, and treat this illness naturally, ensuring your chickens live healthier, happier lives without relying on synthetic drugs. Let's dive in. What is aspergillosis? Aspergillosis is a respiratory disease caused by the Aspergillus fungus, which is commonly found in the environment, particularly in decaying organic matter like moldy bedding, feed, or litter. This fungus releases spores into the air, which chickens can inhale, leading to severe respiratory issues. Symptoms of aspergillosis: difficulty breathing, gasping or open-mouth breathing, loss of appetite, weight loss, weakness and lethargy, abnormal sounds when breathing, wheezing, eye or nasal discharge. Causes of aspergillosis. The main cause of aspergillosis is exposure to high concentrations of Aspergillus spores, which are abundant in damp, poorly ventilated environments. It thrives in wet or moldy bedding, poorly stored feed with mold contamination, stagnant air in overcrowded or closed-off spaces, dirty water sources that foster fungal growth. Prevention. Tips. 1. Maintain clean bedding. Regularly replace bedding and clean coop surfaces to prevent moisture buildup and fungal growth. 2. Proper ventilation. Ensure good air circulation in the coop to prevent dampness and reduce airborne spores. 3. Use dry, mold-free feed. Store chicken feed in dry, well-sealed containers to prevent mold contamination. 4. Control humidity. Keep the coop dry, especially during rainy or humid seasons. Conventional, synthetic treatment options. When diagnosed with aspergillosis, conventional treatment often involves synthetic antifungal drugs. Some of the most commonly used synthetic supplements include itraconazole or ketoconazole, antifungal medications often used to control the fungal infection, vitamins A, C, and E to support the immune system and speed up recovery, electrolytes to maintain hydration and energy, especially for weakened birds. Antibiotics, sometimes prescribed to prevent or treat secondary bacterial infections, though they don't treat the fungal infection directly. While these treatments can be effective, long-term use of synthetic drugs may lead to resistance or side effects. This is where natural remedies can offer a more sustainable, health-conscious solution. Organic, natural remedies for aspergillosis. 1. Garlic, Allium sativum. Garlic is known for its powerful antifungal properties and can help combat fungal infections like aspergillosis. You can crush fresh garlic and add it to your chicken's drinking water. Garlic boosts the immune system and may help in fighting fungal infections naturally. Dosage. Crush 2 to 3 garlic cloves and mix into 1 gallon of water, providing it to the chickens for several days. 2. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV creates an acidic environment that is less favorable for fungal growth. It also helps in boosting the immune system and supporting respiratory health. Dosage. Add 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar per gallon of water and provide it to the flock regularly. 3. Oregano oil, Oreganum vulgare. Oregano oil is a potent natural antimicrobial and antifungal remedy. It has been shown to help improve respiratory health and protect chickens from a variety of infections. Dosage. Add a few drops of oregano oil to the water, around 2 to 3 drops per liter, or mix it into the feed. Ensure it's diluted as oregano oil is quite strong. 4th. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, turmeric can help soothe the respiratory system and fight fungal infections. Dosage. Mix 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder with their feed daily, or combine it with a small amount of coconut oil to boost its absorption. 5. Echinacea. Echinacea strengthens the immune system and helps chickens fight off infections, including aspergillosis. You can make a herbal tea from dried echinacea and add it to their drinking water. Dosage. Brew a strong echinacea tea and offer it to your chickens in place of regular water for 1 to 2 weeks during treatment. While treating aspergillosis naturally, it's important to focus on holistic care. Proper nutrition. Ensure your chickens are getting a balanced, nutrient-rich diet to help them recover faster. Boost immunity. Consider giving natural immune boosters like garlic, oregano, and echinacea regularly. Sanitation and ventilation. Keep your chicken's environment clean, dry, and well ventilated to prevent the recurrence of the disease. By adopting natural remedies and keeping a close eye on your chicken's environment, you can effectively manage and even prevent aspergillosis. Organic treatments like garlic, apple cider vinegar, and oregano oil are just a few powerful allies in keeping your flock healthy without relying on synthetic drugs. Stay tuned for more tips on raising healthier organic poultry and subscribe to our channel for more content on natural chicken care.